Thinking of studying in Australia in 2026? Then listen up, boss, because this is the one thing every student and parent really wants to know. Will this course actually lead to a solid future and maybe even permanent residency? In this short explainer, we're breaking down the full picture from choosing the right course to getting that all-important PR. No fluff, just real practical steps. Let's go.
See, Australia is welcoming, but it's not about any random degree. If PR is your goal, you need to pick a course that matches a job that's in demand, listed on the skilled occupation list. This is where many students mess up. They go for hype, not the long-term plan. If you're aiming for PR, there are some courses that can really improve your chances. Engineering is a big one. Whether it's civil, electrical, biomedical, or even aeronautical, these fields are consistently in demand. Nursing is another strong option, especially if you're open to working outside the big cities where the need is even greater. IT is booming too, with areas like cybersecurity, data analysis, and networking offering plenty of opportunities. If you're good with numbers and have strong English skills, accounting or actuarial science could also open doors. Architecture is worth considering as well, especially with all the major infrastructure projects happening around Australia. And if you're flexible about location, agricultural engineering could be a smart move, particularly in regional areas. Parents, keep in mind, these careers aren't just well-paying, they're PR relevant and future-proof. Step 1. Choose the right course and location. Make sure your course is at least 2 years long, from a CRICOS registered university linked to a skilled list occupation, preferably on the MLTSSL. Study in regional areas like Tasmania, Adelaide or Townsville. It gives you extra PR points. Step 2. Apply for your student visa, Subclass 500. You'll need letter of offer. Proof of funds, about 29,750 Australian dollars per year for living expenses. A proper GT statement. Don't take this lightly. Processing takes 1 to 3 months. So don't delay, start early. Step 3. Focus on studies and industry exposure. It's not just about passing exams, you've got to stand out. Maintain strong grades, do internships or part-time work, now allowed up to 48 hours per fortnight. Start building references and job-ready skills. This is what sets you apart when it's time to apply for PR. Step 4. Apply for post-study work visa, Subclass 485. This is your golden bridge between study and PR. Duration depends on your degree. 2 years for bachelor's, 3 years for master's, 4 years for PhDs this time to gain local work experience, build your PR profile. Don't waste this phase, boss. It's make or break. Step 5. Start your PR planning early. Don't wait till the last minute, okay? Start preparing for skills assessment. Each job has its own body. English test. Aim for IELTS 8.0 if you want top points. Points calculation. Minimum is 65, but aim higher. Example. A 25-year-old with a bachelor's in nursing, 2 years of regional experience, IELTS 8.0 can easily hit 80 plus points. That's PR level right there. Step 6. PR pathways to consider. Here are your main options. Subclass 189, independent, points-based. Subclass 190 needs state nomination. Subclass 491 for regional areas. Stay 3 years, then PR. If you're open to living outside big cities, 491 is a clever move. States love nominating local grads who've studied and worked in their region. For parents, choose a reputed education provider. Plan finances, think tuition, living cost, insurance, visa renewals. Encourage strong English, communication matters for jobs and PR points. For students, connect with seniors who are already in Australia. Pick internships linked to your future PR job. Stay updated. Rules change often. Getting PR in Australia is not about luck, it's all about strategy. Pick the right course, gain local experience, and start building points early. And hey, this is not a race. Most students take 4 to 6 years from start to PR. What matters is having a clear direction and sticking with it. Need help choosing your course or applying for your visa? Talk to us at Baasu. Our experienced team is here to guide students and parents every step of the way.